The delicate skin around our eyes is often the first to show signs of aging, with fine lines and wrinkles making their appearance. This area is particularly vulnerable because it is one of the thinnest parts of our skin. This is due to a combination of factors, both intrinsic and extrinsic. The skin here is naturally thinner and produces less collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. As we age, the production of these essential proteins decreases, leading to sagging and the formation of wrinkles. Add to that the constant muscle movement from blinking, squinting, and smiling, and you have the perfect recipe for wrinkles. Every time we express emotions, the skin around our eyes is put to the test. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to combat eye wrinkles and maintain youthful skin is through proper hydration. It's a fundamental step that many overlook. When skin is dehydrated, it loses its plumpness and elasticity, making wrinkles and fine lines more prominent. Hydration helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier. Think of a grape versus a raisin. The former is plump and smooth, while the latter is shriveled and wrinkled. This analogy perfectly illustrates the importance of hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep skin cells hydrated from within. It's essential to make it a habit, especially in dry or hot climates. Aim for 8 glasses a day and consider incorporating hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach into your diet. These foods are not only hydrating but also packed with nutrients. These foods are rich in electrolytes and antioxidants, further contributing to skin health. They help to fight free radicals and support overall skin vitality. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow. It means the world to us. Sleep is one of the most powerful tools in your skincare arsenal. Adequate sleep helps in skin regeneration and reduces puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, producing new collagen that prevents sagging and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This regeneration process is crucial for maintaining a youthful and radiant complexion, especially around the delicate eye area. Lack of sleep can lead to increased puffiness and dark circles, making wrinkles more pronounced. Ensuring you get enough rest can significantly improve the appearance of your skin. To improve your sleep quality, maintain a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a restful environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains and a white noise machine if needed. Avoid screens before bedtime, as the blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with your sleep cycle. Instead, opt for a relaxing activity like reading a book. Remember, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. This simple habit can make a significant difference in reducing eye wrinkles and keeping your skin looking its best. Cucumber slices on the eyes are a classic spa treatment for a very good reason. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and possess natural astringent properties, making them highly effective in reducing puffiness and tightening the skin around the eyes. They also contain silica, a mineral that helps improve skin elasticity and firmness. The cooling effect of cucumbers helps soothe tired eyes and reduce inflammation, further minimizing the appearance of fine wrinkles. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your closed eyelids for 10 to 15 minutes. The natural enzymes and nutrients in cucumber will work their magic, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial in the fight against eye wrinkles. The harmful UV rays not only cause sunburn, but also accelerate the aging process by breaking down collagen and elastin fibers in the skin. This can lead to premature wrinkles, especially around the delicate eye area. Wearing sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat can provide a physical barrier, shielding your eyes from direct sunlight. Sunglasses with UV protection help prevent squinting, which can cause fine lines around the eyes over time. Additionally, using a natural sunscreen with zinc oxide is highly effective in preventing UV damage. Zinc oxide acts as a physical blocker, reflecting harmful rays away from your skin. Apply it generously around your eyes and any other exposed areas to keep your skin safe and youthful. By taking these protective measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of sun-induced wrinkles and maintain a bright, youthful appearance. Just as exercise benefits our body, facial yoga can tone and tighten the muscles in our face, including those around the eyes, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Regular facial exercises can improve blood circulation, promote collagen production, and enhance lymphatic drainage, all of which contribute to a more youthful appearance. One simple exercise involves placing your index fingers on the outer corners of your eyes and your middle fingers on your eyebrows. Look up and raise your lower eyelids to make a strong squint, holding for a few seconds. Repeat this exercise several times a day to strengthen the muscles around your eyes and reduce the appearance of crow's feet. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Rubbing the delicate skin around your eyes can create friction, which may lead to irritation, stretching, and skin damage over time. This can accelerate the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, especially since the skin around the eyes is thinner and more sensitive than other areas of the face. Incorporating natural skincare remedies can significantly enhance the health and appearance of the delicate skin around your eyes. One such remedy is aloe vera gel. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it hydrates and repairs the skin. Simply apply a small amount around your eyes daily before bed. Next, we have coconut oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids that moisturize and improve skin elasticity. Gently massage a tiny amount into the under eye area at night for best results. Rosehip oil is another powerful natural remedy. Packed with vitamins A and C, it boosts collagen production. Dab lightly under the eyes as part of your nightly routine. Green tea bags are also highly effective. Antioxidants in green tea fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Cool used tea bags in the fridge, then place them on your eyes for 10 minutes. Lastly, try a honey and yogurt mask. Honey hydrates, and yogurt's lactic acid gently exfoliates. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply under the eyes for 10 minutes, then rinse. These natural skincare tips can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine to help maintain youthful and radiant eyes. Incorporating DIY treatments into your skincare routine can be both effective and rewarding. Let's explore some natural remedies you can easily prepare at home to combat under-eye wrinkles. First, potato slices. Known for their natural bleaching properties, potato slices can brighten and smooth the under-eye area. Simply place thin slices on your eyes for about 10 minutes. The antioxidants and vitamins in potatoes can help reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. Next, egg whites. This simple kitchen ingredient temporarily tightens the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a thin layer of egg white around your eyes, let it dry, and then rinse off gently with lukewarm water. The proteins in egg whites help firm the skin and minimize pores. Avocado mash is another excellent treatment. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocado deeply moisturizes the skin. Mash a ripe avocado and apply it under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. This nourishing mask can help replenish moisture and improve skin elasticity. These natural DIY treatments are easy to incorporate into your weekly skincare regimen, offering a gentle yet effective way to maintain youthful and radiant eyes. Try these remedies and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Until next time, keep shining.